Hey guys, let's make a beat on GarageBand using our iPad. But first, some inspiration. It's healthy too. Too much.
Stupid.
Nothing more inspirational than some cereal with milk. You've had your cereal and you're inspired to do a new song. You want to do it from scratch and you have your iPad ready with GarageBand. So I'm going to show you how I do it. First thing, no Bluetooth headphones. I just wear these because these are like my necklace. Anyway, you want to wear regular headphones, of course, or else you're going to have a delay. Second thing we want to do is start a new song. So once you press the GarageBand icon, on the top right hand corner of the app, you're going to see a blue plus. You're going to press it and it's going to give you instruments that you can choose. I, of course, like to start with drums. So the first thing that I see is drums. So I'm going to go ahead and press on that. In my head, I have so I'm gonna go ahead and play that. Let's find a good drum set that I like. In the middle, you will see infinity. That is actually the name of the drum set. So there's different drum sets. When you press that name, you can go and scroll through different drum sets. Oh, I like that. Oh wow, I really like that. So I'm literally playing on the screen of the iPad. When you see that, I'm literally playing on it. I don't have a keyboard or anything else. I'm just tapping on the screen. So I've decided on a drum set and I want it to go The next thing you need to do is set your tempo. The way to set your tempo is on the top right, you see that little wrench. Go ahead and press it and all these settings come out. You need to get your tempo correct. So if you know what the tempo is, you can just choose it here, of course. But if you don't know what the tempo is, you can also tap the tempo. Let's do that with the beat that I have in my head. Boom, da ba, boom, da ba, boom, da ba, boom. So it's at around 90 and 92. So let's go ahead and make it 90. All right, so now I want to go ahead and record this. In the middle, you will see the red circle. That circle is to record. So let's go ahead and press it. And it gives us a count off. The count off serves as a way for us to start. So it gives us a dedicated place for us to start. It's like when a drummer gives the count off for the band. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? That's what this is when you press record. Here we go with the beat. All right, so you notice that when I played it, the top part where all the numbers are was red and now it's green. So let's listen to what we recorded. There you go, that's the beat that I just recorded. And the iPad itself actually straightens out the beat, so it makes it sound cleaner and tighter. Okay, so I've decided, well, that's a pretty good start off point. Now I want to put something else, maybe a hi-hat or something. When you want to get a new instrument, you press where the 3 squares are, the small square, the big square, and the small square. Okay, and it gives us a variety of instruments again. But let's go ahead and get another drum set, and let's go ahead and change the name, because we want something that sounds a little contrasting to what I just played. I like that one. You heard me do a lot of fancy stuff like kind of stuff, right? So let's listen to what the iPad thinks that I played. This iPad's dumb. It doesn't know that. That's not what I played. You're like, oh, whoa. That's not what I played, man. So you remember the 3 little squares that we originally did? There's a bunch of other little squares that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares in the middle, in between this one here. Those are your actual notes that you played. So these are the notes that I played for the drums originally. And this is the hi-hat that I just played. I just double tapped on it right now. And this is where you can control the different things that you have played. So in settings, on the right hand, I'm going to press that and it's going to give me the quantization. He thinks that I want a 16th note, but I actually played 64th notes and 32th notes. So let's see what it sounds like with the 32th note. That's a lot closer to what I played originally. That's right there, that's it. That's basically what I played, but of course, flattened out and fixed. So let's add like a keyboard or something. So now we're gonna have a keyboard. On the keyboard, you have all kinds of options to it, and you go do the same thing in the middle. Let's see what this is. Let's just do something real simple. But you notice notice that it's not being quantized. It's exactly what I played. So in order for you to quantize, of course, you go to the little squares right here in the middle. You double tap on your notes and you can quantize them. To know about 16 notes and 32 notes and all that stuff, you basically should take like a little YouTube class to let you know a little about music theory. So for today, that's going to be it. It's really basic, but I hope you try it. If you try it, please write down in the comments below and we'll be getting back to you, okay? I hope you enjoyed it and we'll be seeing you around, all right? Thanks.